Good morning, students. Myself, Jitendra Kumar Jha, St. Michael Academy, Betia, present here with a topic of mathematics for Standard 7. We have learnt about the exponents, the powers. Today, I am going to discuss the laws of exponents. There are some laws of exponents by help of which we can solve the problems related to this one. So, you may see some important laws are written here. If a is any non-zero integers. Now, we are very much familiar with the integers, rational numbers. So, here it is given if a is any integers and m and n are whole numbers. In starting we have learned whole number, natural numbers, integers, fractions, and we have to use these things in solving the problems. So, the first one is if a power m into a power m, where a is an integer, m and n are whole numbers. Integers is non-zero, zero को छोड़कर और दूसरा integers. In that very case, a power m multiplied by a power n is equal to a power m plus n. The second one is if a power m divided by, this one is the sign of division. If a power m is divided by a power n, then the resultant is a power m minus n. M is greater than n here. If m is less, then it will be negative, and we know that if we have a power minus 1, then it is equal to 1 by b. It is known to us. So, most generally, if m is greater than m is here, m is greater than. If it will be negative, then this one will take place. The third one is a power m whole power m is equal to a power m into n, a power mn. Now, here it was only if a is any non-zero integer. From here, a and b are two non-zero integers. B is also a non-zero integers, it is written. If a and b are two non-zero integers, then a power m multiplied by b power m. Here, bases are different. Bases are different, but the powers are same. In that very case, it will be equal to, the bases will multiply and the power will be same. So, a power m multiplied by b power m is equal to a into b power n. Again, here also the bases are different and the powers are same. A power m divided by b power m is equal to a divided by b power m. You may write a divided by means a by b power n. And the last one is a power 0 is equal to 1. So, see it again, a power m multiplied by a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here bases are same and the exponents, powers are different. A power m multiplied by a power n is equal to a power m into n. Again, bases are same, powers are different. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. And a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. For these two, if a and b are any two non-zero integers, because we have taken two different bases, so a power m multiplied by b power n is equal to ab power n, and a power m divided by b power m is equal to a divided by b power m, and we can write it a by b. A divided by b means a by b power n, and lastly a power 0 is equal to 1. Now, I will discuss all these law by giving an example. We will make it more clear by some examples. The first one is a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n is equal to a power n plus n. See, the bases are here 2 power 3 into 2 power 2. We may take different 2 power 4 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 power 7. Most generally we know that 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write 2 power 7. And to find the value, we will multiply it and write its value. The second one is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power n minus n. The second one is this one. Now 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 5 is equal to 3 power 7 minus 5 is equal to 3 power 2. You may solve it. 3 power 2 means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. Similarly, you can divide, multiply, so 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64 to the 128. So, you know how to multiply and how to write. In the another way, 3 power 7 by 3 power 5 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5, 6, 7, 2 to 4 to 6, 1, 7, and divided by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now it is 3 power 2 is equal to 9. ऐसा पहले करते आए हैं, लेकिन जब अब हम लॉ जान गए हैं कि a पावर m डिवाइडेड बाई a पावर n इज इक्वल टू a का पावर m माइनस n, अगर ये 6 है, 7 है, 10 है तो ऐसा गुना करके कर सकते हैं. अगर पावर 15 है, 20 है, 50 है, 100 है, अगर m का वैल्यू यहाँ पर a का वैल्यू 500, 3 का पावर 500 और यहाँ 3 का पावर 100, तो 500 बार 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 लिखना बहुत कठिन हुआ, लेकिन 500 में 100 घटाना बहुत आसान काम है और हम ये लिख सकते हैं 3 पावर 400. So that is why we are using the laws to solve it easily. Third one is a power m is equal to a power m into m. 2 power 3 whole to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power m into n. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. You may see 2 power 3. 2 into 2 into 2 a whole to the power 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 power 2 is equal to 64. Here it is given 2 power 6 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. So you may see power, whole power means power and power will be multiplied. So a power m into n is equal to a power m into n, and in this way we come to the conclusion that if we are solving the things, the power inside the bracket, and then we are making its square or whatsoever power it is given, or we multiply the power to power, and both are same. Now the fourth and fifth are the bases are, the fourth one is a power n gune b power n. Here bases are different but the powers are same. Then it is equal to a into b power n. You may see 2 power 3. 2 power 3 into 3 power 3. Bases are different but powers are same. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. But in this way we will get a value. But if 2 into 3 power 3, here it will be equal to, you may see this one, 2 into 3, here 2 into 3, here 2 into 3. This is to 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 6 power 3. And here also it is 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, whole power 3. So a power m into b power m is equal to a into b power m. In this way we can see. Next, last one I want to add, a power 0 is equal to 1. A power 0 is equal to 1. You may see a power 0 means a power 3 into 3. This is equal to a power 3 into a power minus 3. This is equal to a power 3 into a power minus 3 means 1 by a power 3. This will be cancelled and this is equal to 1. So a power 0 is equal to 1. We will solve the exercise 8b in the next class. Thank you, children.